What's up guys? In the past couple of weeks, we have got quite a lot of POCO X3 related leaks and rumors, and in fact the phone was recently spotted on FCC, which gave us a look at the rear design of it. This not only confirmed the existence of this phone, but also confirmed the design which we saw previously via some renders. Now, those renders were not the official ones, but they were based on the information available to the source that shared them. Well, today we might have got the official renders of the POCO X3. These renders were shared by a Turkish website, which claims that these are indeed the official renders of the phone. And not just renders, the website also shared the specifications and the launch date of the POCO X3. So, this is definitely the biggest leak related to the POCO X3 that we have got so far. Talking about the design first, this is a completely new phone from POCO, which means it is not a rebrand of any already launched Redmi device. And we can see that from the design on the back, there is an odd-looking camera setup design that has a big primary camera sensor in the middle, surrounded by 3 lenses, and also the LED flash. Above the camera setup, we can see the text, which says 64 megapixel super camera. This means the POCO X3 has the same 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor as on the POCO X2. There is a big POCO branding on the back. Anyways, on the bottom we can see that there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, alongside the Type-C port and the speaker grill on the front side. The POCO X3 has a hole punch design, but instead of going for a dual selfie camera setup like the POCO X2, there is just one 20 megapixel camera, and that is placed in the middle like the POCO M2 Pro. Finally, the fingerprint scanner is on the right side, which also doubles as the power button, so this means that there is an LCD screen just like the POCO X2. Now talking about the specifications, the website revealed that the POCO X3 has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The SoC this time is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732, which is not yet official, but we are expecting Qualcomm to unveil it very soon. Now, previous leaks suggested that there is Snapdragon 732G. So the trusted is something which we cannot 100% confirm. The POCO X3 has a huge 5160 mAh battery, and there is also 33-watt fast charging support. Finally, talking about the launch date of the POCO X3, the website says that it is launching on September 8th, which means we still have a couple of weeks left for the official launch. Now, there is no announcement from POCO yet, but we are getting hints from the company on Twitter. In fact, the global spokesperson of POCO also mentioned the POCO X3 in one of his recent tweets. So what do you think of the POCO X3 design? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel will be amazing. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.